You buy sneakers on credit or an iPhone on a plan. At first, no stress. Then the bills hit. You can't keep up, so interest piles on. Suddenly, that $1,000 phone costs $1,400. Miss a payment? Your credit score tanks. Want a car loan later? Denied. Apartment rental? Denied. For most people, debt feels like a monster eating every paycheck. But here's the truth. Debt doesn't have to control you. In fact, in the US, you've got more options than you realize to be debt-free. Sure, it's harder to get out of debt than to enter. That's why we're going to give you the exact steps and the real organizations you can call today to start digging out. Are you ready to fight back? Move number 1. Face it. Grab a piece of paper or use your phone. Write down every single debt. Credit cards, student loans, car loans, even that $200 you owe your cousin. Most people guess. They don't actually know what they owe. You can't fight what you can't see. Once it's on paper, it's way less scary, and now you can plan your attack. Move number 2. Choose your weapon. There are 2 ways to pay off debt. One is the snowball method. You knock out the smallest debt first. Quick win, big motivation. For example, pay off that $200 card before tackling the $5,000 student loan. Another is the avalanche method. You attack the debt with the highest interest first. Saves you the most money long term. Say, if your credit card is charging 25%, you handle that before worrying about your 4% car loan. No method is better. Choose the one you'll actually stick with. Move number 3. Find extra cash. You need more ammo for the fight. So stop digging into your bank account. Pause new spending you can't afford. Even small spends like Starbucks or boba. Seriously, $6 a day is $180 a month. Cut money leaks by canceling unused subscriptions. Sell stuff like old clothes and unused tech for fast cash. Get a side hustle like DoorDash, babysitting, tutoring, even flipping sneakers. An extra $100 a week can wipe out $1,000 of debt in 10 weeks. And make sure you pay more than the minimum on every bill. Always. Move number 4. Call for relief. Here's a secret hack. You can actually call your bank and credit card company and say, "Hey, my interest rate is killing me. Can you lower it?" Sometimes they'll say yes. They'd rather get something than watch you default. Some even have hardship programs that temporarily lower payments if you're struggling. Move number 5. Get extra help. Let's talk about the real lifelines in the US. We'll give you names, numbers, and sites so you know exactly where to go. Starting with credit counseling from the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, or NFCC. Call 1-800-388-2227 to connect with a certified counselor or visit the website www.nfcc.org. They'll help you budget, organize your debt, and create a repayment plan. Many sessions are free. There are also debt management plans available through the NFCC. They'll talk to your credit card companies for you, lower your interest, and roll everything into one monthly payment. You can consider debt consolidation loans, which are available through credit unions, banks, or online lenders. Basically, you're paying off all your old debts with one new loan, ideally with a lower rate. Warning: this only works if you stop using those old cards. If you need federal student loan relief, go to www.studentaid.gov. This is the U.S. Department of Education's official site. You can apply for income-driven repayment plans where your bill is capped at 5 to 10% of your income. And sometimes it's literally $0 if you're not earning much. There's also public service loan forgiveness. But you need to work in a nonprofit or government job, make payments for 10 years, and then the rest is forgiven. Teachers can qualify for up to $17,500 in forgiveness if they teach in certain schools for 5 years. United Way connects you to local help for food, rent, utilities, and financial counseling. Dial 211 from any phone in the U.S. or go to www.211.org. And if you're being harassed by debt collectors, check out the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's website, www.cfpb.gov. They give you free tools and let you file complaints if collectors break the rules. Move number 6. The last resort. If you're drowning, bankruptcy is the emergency exit. Chapter 7 wipes out most unsecured debts in 3 to 6 months. Chapter 13 sets up a 3 to 5 year repayment plan, then clears what's left. Start by finding an attorney at the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys website, www.aa.org. Most offer free consultations. The major downside is bankruptcy stays on your credit for 7 to 10 years, but for some people, it's the reset button they need. Here's the bottom line. Debt doesn't define you. It's just money you owe. Use the moves we've provided in this video to get out. And you don't have to do this alone, and you don't have to stay stuck. Help is real. There are lifelines literally out there waiting for you. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll be free. Smash like and share this video to help someone else be debt-free. Follow the School of Money for more money literacy made simple and useful.